むように溶けてゆくように二人だけの空が広がる夜に
I just got to the airport and I'm feeling dead. This past week has been non-stop. I recently joined a new team at work. After work, I feel like I have no time really to relax. And the next thing you know, I'm in bed sleeping, getting ready for the next day. It's Friday now, and it's honestly a miracle that I got everything packed and ready to go, because I'm a pretty slow packer, because I try to keep everything very organized. But I put it together, and now I'm super excited to go meet my friends in Osaka. I already know we're probably not going to get much sleep, and it won't be as relaxing of a trip, but it'll be very, very fun. So I'm okay with that. I'm leaving in 47 minutes. I'm going to go to my gate. Flight number 1 down. I made it. The travel day actually felt pretty easy, probably because I just went to Singapore, and I don't know, that travel day was so long. My friends are currently at Universal, and I've already been there the last time I was here, so in the meantime, I'm gonna go into the city and probably get some food, hit up a cafe, and then go climb for a bit. Today is just kind of like a free day. We're just still waiting for people to arrive. Excited to see everyone and just excited to be on vacation finally. And I forgot to mention that it took me like 5 minutes or more to figure out how to unlock the door to our Airbnb. Like, I had the key and everything from like the lockbox, and I tried using the key to unlock the door, but I didn't know that in Japan you have to turn the key to the right to unlock, and I'm pretty sure that's the opposite of the US. So yeah, once I figured that out, everything was fine, but that was an experience.
Welcome to my paradise. I cook a level, then you touch down. Get the door, get the door, get the time, one on time. 나만 가이답된 낫긴 better. 기도미 밑에 돌릴 거니 fall in love. 멀리 샤스와 결성 이라는 caption 이거는 요리 success 말은 익산노 From d.bouldering 기민이 fit stay with me I'm the one for you yeah I know 기가 날 미타이나 타이도 리무카세를 끊어라고 and if that get stuck in my head
So the ramen was super good, but 2 kind of embarrassing things happened. One was me not knowing how to open that sliding door. And the second was the chef came out and like just took the order for me and like pressed the buttons for me. Like, I put up the camera so that I could like hit the buttons and see the tickets come out, but that was not what happened. I mean, it still turned out well. I'm happy, my belly's happy, and we're on the way to get matcha. Just finished my climbing session. It wasn't the best climbing in the world, but it is what it is because I still have an injured ring finger. 6 weeks into rehab, I still have 6 more weeks until I'm back or near full strength. So considering that, the session was amazing. As for like the setting and the hold variety, it was very cool that they had climbs where you were just grabbing full no-text holds. I feel like I haven't really seen that in the States, or at least where I climb. And then the slab here was pretty nice. It just sucked that the slab wall had really short walls. Like I could jump and reach the top of the wall. I don't know if this is normal for gyms in Japan, but you have to buy like a membership card. It might just be this bouldering gym, but at the end of the day, I spent around $30 to get in for a day. I'm tired, sweaty, and stinky now, so I think I'm just gonna go back to the Airbnb.
窓に飾った絵画をなぞって一人で宇宙を旅してそれだけでも不自由ないけど僕は選んでみたいの高鳴る心水だらけの空
I was just wandering around and I randomly came across the Dotonbori area. So I was like, might as well take a look, take some pictures of the Glico man sign thing. I don't really get why it's so popular, but yeah, that area was packed. One thing I noticed is that I don't really like vlogging indoors. And the reason being, like, I don't want to be the loudest voice in the room, but in order for like the audio quality to be good, I need to somewhat project my voice, even with a mic. But then the problem with vlogging outdoors is it's kind of loud and you get all this like background noise. I mentioned in Singapore, I wasn't very like self-aware when it came to vlogging, but I feel like in Japan, I'm more self-aware. And I think it's because people here tend to be like more quiet versus I'm out here holding a camera up and talking to it. But it's still not like a big deal. This is still very fun to do. I think the main problem for me is when I'm in a group setting, I want to be able to stay present and it'll be harder to like kind of talk to the camera. So the majority of the vlogs for this trip will probably be more natural, more in the moment. I hope that makes sense. This is my second ever vlog and I'm still trying to figure out what kind of style I'm going for. I don't really have like a vision for this, but at the end of the day, I just want this vlog to be something we can look back on. That's enough of me yapping. Let's find our way home. There has been a change of plans. My friends are leaving Universal early and I'm gonna go meet them at Nishikujo Station. And there we're gonna figure out what we're doing for dinner. We're going to Kyoto later today, so right now, me, Kevin, and Jinglin are going to find a coin locker for us to store our luggage at so that we can go shopping and not have to lug it around. No real plan for today, but just doing some shopping in the Umeda area in Osaka. All right. How does it taste? We're going to Kyoto.